I hope we are live. Okay. Yeah, we are live. Okay. Good evening, traders. Welcome to this special webinar. In this, we will show you what we look and how do we analyze. The most important thing is how to recognize whether trend is about to end or there is a relative understanding on the trend. Now, just to come back, just to give you a glance, I have taken this stride pharma and I have selected this as a high and I have selected this as a low. Okay. Now it may not have tagged as this thing that we are least bothered because you see when we go to the wave trading or Elliott wave, what RN Elliott has said, it has to be new low, it has to be, see, sometimes it is not possible. It is not possible because the participants' behavior is different. It is not always possible to get the, you may get the equal lows, but you might not get a very decent retracement on the initial this thing. So, how do we see basically? Basically, what we do is that we go to the monthly in our trading room in the sense that every single one of us will have the same thing and they will go to the monthly and they will select the oldest data and where it has started. It has started here, it has ended here before it starts trending. Okay. Now, when we say trending, this was also trending, but it was trending to the downward side. So, trend as in a recognition, we suggest is always in a bull trend. Bear trend, that means corrections. A bear trend we prefer to use as in a downward trend. Okay. So, the market has made wave 1 relatively and then it made a flat pattern A, B and C and it has met almost equal price. Okay, almost equal. We say almost equal. Then this trend has started for 1, 2, 3, then it came 4 all the way down towards near to the 2 and then it went to the 5. When we see this, we feel like, okay, this has become 1, this is 2, this is 3, a new high, this is 4 and this is 5. So, this becomes a primary one, Roman number 1. Okay. But most today's ideology is that, oh, no, it should not come this deep. There should be very this thing and all those things. No, it is not possible. And stock is new. When stock has got some relative understanding, it can behave in this manner. Okay. And when we connect wave 2 and wave 4, we can come to see, now I will remove these horizontal lines. The downward horizontal line also I will remove. Now what you see is in a one straight move. That is, that can be explained as this is one stroke as explained as Roman number 1. Okay. And this basically suggests the one of the Elliott wave method that is said very ideally people use say that, okay, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So, when they put this, they show you this kind of figure. When they are training, they are trying to invite, they invite you, they send you a lot of advertisements and they say this is an expanding leading diagonal. they say it in figures, they show these diagrams, but in reality, they are very scary, because when it meets the equal low, you have a scare statements, because flat usually, when in Elliott wave, the flats are usually A, B and C relative to the 60% of the previous trend, but here it has gone more than 88%. Okay, so understand the fact that some things when people speak, they rarely have any understanding in it. Okay, one second. Okay, fine. I just checked whether we are connected or not. Audio is correct. Yes, fine. So once when this Roman number 1 is finished, now I will go back to this Roman number 1. Then what we expected is that I will remove this. So where are we right now? We need to justify where are we right now, whether we are in that this thing. Now here again, this has got a very habitualities. See, the same way how it has behaved here, it is behaving here. The low of this is 145.54 and the low of this is 126.41. Now, where did you see this kind of pattern? I have shown you already. Where did you see this kind of pattern? Exactly in Aarti Enterprises. In Aarti Enterprises, you have seen the same pattern. After the correction, it went up and it came below this low, right? Do you understand it? Okay, I believe you understand it. And one second, where I was in one second. Global market. I was in this. No. Where did I lose it? Jesus, lost it? Just a second. I am very sorry, just a minute please. I lost it. Where I lost it? In which list it was? It was in FNO? Yeah, it was in FNO. I am very sorry. Okay? I am sorry. Okay, I'll remove this. So where did we found the same pattern? W, X and Y. So this again, you see when the primary behavior is repeated here, same primary behavior is repeated here. So when you see many of my videos, I always say the market repeats in itself. I don't care how people accept, whether people accept it or not, but I know the market repeat in itself. Okay? So it just surpassed and it went up. And see the momentum here. The same momentum you are going to get in the Aarti Enterprises if you are very much aware of it. Okay? So this is how we try to justify, and this is how the wave trading is basically done. Now I would like to label this as a Roman number 2. Now Roman number 2 is basically in the place of numbering 1, 2 and 3 and serial numbers, I am just numbering it as a Roman number 2. And we will enter the weekly. So once when we enter the weekly, what happens? We would like to ensure that we are in the right path, and we are having a right low and other things. So we just expand and we just go and select this low, and you see again it behaved the same thing. The behavior is very repeating. Okay, so sometimes people will say, Krishna, what happened? You told me it is going to go up, and see it has come below. Oh my God, it is almost equal low. It is almost equal low, yes. But you have to trust a pattern. You have to trust. The way they behave, you have to trust the pattern. Okay? And if you see carefully, this pattern got repeated here. Exactly. And this pattern got repeated here. See? So the pattern repeats itself. When you realize the patterns repeat itself, the making money becomes more easy, because either you know that pattern or you don't know that pattern. Either you know it or you don't know it. If you know it, you will make the money. If you don't know it, you will never ever enter in the pattern which you don't know. Do you understand me? Yeah, please, please take a time to understand my words. If you know the pattern, you will trade it. And if you don't know the pattern, you will never ever trade it, because entering blindly in the market, causing yourself a great losses, a harmful losses. Causing yourself will be a great harmful losses. So do not enter if you don't know the pattern. All right. Now, from the weekly we saw this, and from the daily perspective we know this is a correction. It made a deep correction here. Okay, we agree. After this correction, again it has made a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Then it is coming down. Okay. Will it repeat? Now the question is, will this pattern be repeating here? Will this pattern is going to repeat here? The answer is 88% very likely. 88% very likely. Now I will show you. Okay, it has got a very bad gap down and gap up. I am very sorry for that. It is very bad. I mean, people are rigging in it. But it is very likely that you are going to get the same pattern in the larger perspective. Now, if you say that you are going to get the same pattern in the larger perspective, that you will come to know when this trend is completed. When this trend is completed, you have a divergence on the indicator. Once 3 bars are ignored, see, whenever there is a 3 bars are ignored, 1, 2 and 3, the largest one is this red. Remember, this largest one is this red. Now let me highlight it very clearly. Largest one is this red. Okay. This red is the largest among the 7 bars, previous 7 bars, when we check it on the daily. जब आप daily में देखते हो, when we check it on the daily, when you are viewing it, this bar ignores the largest 7 bars. This is the largest 7 bars. इसका मतलब क्या है? What I mean? What I mean is that this trend has matured. The trend has matured at this high. Listen me very carefully. This high, this is the high. This is the high. Okay. After that, you have a 3 bars. That is 1, 2 and 3 green bars. This is the third green bar. After that, you have a divergence bar here. That is the color changes in the histogram. And you have a divergence in the MACD also. Let me just expand this and show you little bit. MACD also. And when you take that MACD, this thing, now I am on MACD 41.66 it is showing. The previous histogram range, and this green bar is 38.41, and where the last top it has made, it is 36.47. So then when the divergence comes as 35.37 with the largest 7 bar ignored, I mean the length of the bar is larger than the previous 7 bars, then the only one thing is left to you is that you either exit your holdings. You have to exit your holding when you see the divergence 3 candles here. Doji and all those things after toe away candle. This is called the toe away. Toe away in the sense it takes you to the new high. Then when you find a doji, you should exit, or at least you should put a stop here. Once when you find this, all you need, all you need is a short sell method, and you are going down. Again it will repeat, again you are going down. Again it will repeat, again you are going down. That means you will have an opportunity, number of opportunities in trade relation to trading in futures. Now, the question remains same. If you know already that this is going to be like this, and you have found a divergence here, can you forecast? Excuse me. Can you forecast this pattern before it happened? Can you do that? And the answer is yes. Most of the Elliott wave practitioners do not have this answer, but we have this answer. The answer is yes. We always try to match that with this previous one. But how it will unfold, it is a secret. How exactly this will unfold, it is a secret. I mean, we have trade secret. We can't let you, I mean, we simply can't give out all our trading methods, but we have it here. See, do you see what I am showing you? And it's a perfect short sell. No questions in it. Perfect short sell if it is in FNO script, and it's a perfect money making business. I'm sorry, if you ignore further, I mean, if you ignore this kind of methods, and why are you in this game? Try to understand why you are in this game. Sorry, if you are not here to learn and make money from the market, then you are wasting your time. Okay? You are wasting your time. Simply you are just wasting. You are just nuts. That's all. So try to understand the things. Wave trading is completely, which is a full-time business for the traders. Those who are interested in the full-time traders, those who have a capital of more than 15 lakhs or at least 10 lakhs, can enter in the wave trading, can enter an educational course of wave trading, and can make a reasonable degree of money, around about 70,000 to 1 lakh rupees they can make once they learn this. Okay? So this is how it works. Can it gap down? Yes, it can gap down. It can gap down very badly. That can happen. Because it is highly rigged here. Excuse me. So this is how we look into this. I started with monthly, I came to daily, and when we want to trade something, say when we want to say, I want to trade here now. Krishna, I want to trade here now. What do I do? Wait for it. Because it is making a flag. I'll show you very simple method. It is making a flag. It has made a, okay, I'm sorry, just a second. Barbara. It has made a, it will make one more like this before coming down. Okay, so wait for the flag. See, do you see the flag here? If I remove this, what you see here? It is a smaller size and it is making a bigger size. Can you recognize what I am trying to show you? This is a bigger size, this will be the bigger size, and this is a smaller size. That's all. This is the flag, sell it, you make money. This is the flag, sell it, you make money. This is the flag, you sell it, you cover it here. This is the flag. I mean, every single day you get an opportunity, you have to trade. Every single day. You wait for this to complete, you wait for this to complete. This is the flag, you sell it, you came below. Then it went up, this is the flag, you sell it, you came below. How many opportunities you need? But you need to understand the market, the very single market where everyone enters and makes money and get out of it. Hmm? Making money is easy. Human minds are complex. All right? All right then. I've been streaming and yes. All right then. Uh, Let me know if you have any questions. I'll come out again tomorrow with some other examples. All right?